All right, everyone. So I am being adventurous today. It is beautiful and I'm connecting with nature. It's been a long time overdue, had a lot going on, and this is my first time ever being at a hot springs. And in Oregon, there are a ton, so I'm just gonna turn it around here. See if you can see the steam coming off of here. And then I'm just gonna turn it over here so you see the river. And some snow over there on the other side of the bank. So yeah, just a cool time to get out and connect and relax and then clear my mind and meditate and yeah, center on my heart space. So I wanted to bring you guys along and show you how beautiful it is. And I've talked to a couple people out here. There's actually another hot springs a little bit up, and I might just go for a walk and see what I can find. You're supposed to cross the river on some logs that are like all snowy, so I might do that. I will be back. All right, thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, so I'm crossing this little creek thing. Show ya. And it is awesomely warm. You see my hand, and then like right over here is the freezing creek. So freezing. I mean, isn't that amazing how nature is? It's just awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I will be back again. All right, I'm gonna turn this around and kind of show you for a second the path, because this is so fun. Yeah, I love going out and hiking. Used to do it with my kiddos and my husband, and yeah, it just totally takes away all the stress. Love the sound of running water. So I really wanted to show you guys kind of my way down to the other hot springs so that you guys can be a part of this journey. All right, I will be back again. All right, so here's another one. I might get a little bit wet on this one. No, got it. Beautiful. It's so nice out here. I mean, the snow, it was like sunny and bright over at the coast and then partway here, and then I ran into the snow where the water is. And that first spring wouldn't have been too bad, but the other one's bigger. And the guy I ran into said that it was really nice. So since I've driven all this way, I thought I will make the best of it. There's another creek I gotta cross. All right, I'm gonna go find the logs and I will bring you back when I get to that, and we'll cross that when we get there. Just like our journey of life in this awakening, one step at a time. All right, guys, I think I found it. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna climb up here on this log. All right. Just like gymnastics in the old days. And it is a little slippery, so I may end up turning this off just so I can kind of balance. But it's a lot wider than a 4-inch beam. I'll just keep you on me because it might be more exciting. Trying to make sure I'm being very careful. Alright, so lots of people have gone on this today, which makes it kind of nice, but it is packed down, a little icy. There's the water on that side, the water on that side. Yeah, so glad you guys are coming along with me. My soul has been telling me that this is what I need to do, so I am listening, and first time I've had the opportunity, I'm taking it. So I'm just going to look around and see kind of where this goes. As you see, there's a lot of logs. I'll turn it around for you. Trying to see kind of where it goes and how to get there. So let me see, and I don't want to run out of any memory on the phone because I know I don't have a whole lot. I'm following also some footsteps from other people. And someone stopped here. Someone stopped here, so I'm just looking. All right. Wonder if they turned around or what they did. All right. And if for some reason I can't make it, I will just go back to that other one because it looked like it was fun, and it was plenty warm. I'm concentrating right now. Slippery. All right, show you guys what I have. Show you kind of where my feet are. Hopefully I'm not making you too dizzy. All right, I'm almost completely across. And hopefully I took the right one. He was trying to explain it. Climb down. All right, I'm on another log. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn off for a second. I'm gonna look around and I will be back. So I hope you guys are all doing good. I kind of found something that looks like a little bit of a trail. Someone has a string up there. And anyways, I just wanted to say, if you don't have someone to do stuff with, like me, still get out and do it, you know. Take the time, go within, become your own best friend. That's what I'm learning is we have to do. We have to truly focus on loving ourselves before we're able to love others. And it's all about putting our resuscitation mask on first. And, you know, all the stuff that we have that comes up and starts to surface when we're, you know, ascending, we need to take the time to make sure that we love those parts of us and bless them and then release them. So it's something that we have to be conscious about. So I am almost there. I see the other trail and I'm just gonna jump over this log here and I will be right back. All right, so I'm on top of the log. I just kind of jumped onto my stomach and didn't really get anything on me too much. And I'm gonna slide down. But what I was talking about is, yeah, what I'm learning more and more is that as things surface, if we resist things, they persist us. But if we embrace them, we erase them. And that is what Anna Brown had said in her last video, and it really resonates with me, because anything we run away from, fear or anger, depression, anxiety, anything like that is going to continue to surface in other areas until we actually, you know, lovingly go in and embrace it wholeheartedly as part of us, because the dark and the light is in us. And I like the saying that one of the so-called Native Americans told me when I did my internship at the prison in Oregon, here in Salem, and he was talking about the wolves and which one we're going to feed. Do we feed this wolf over here that's in the more of the dark, fully of the dark, or do we feed the light? And we can choose the light and choose to draw with that, is how Anna says it. You know, we don't have to stay in one place, and it's all about changing our beliefs, getting out of our comfort zones, changing our environment, and yeah, loving ourselves awake. So I love you guys. Thank you for coming. There are a ton of people here, so I did find it. I'm just gonna do a quick show. And I made it across, and I'm gonna go soak, and I will talk to you guys later. Namaste to you.